Welcome to this video on how to make a panda bead. To make this bead, we will need some very basic tools and supplies: a pair of tweezers, a mashing tool, a knife or shaping tool, a dipped mandrel, and some glass. For this video, we are using a 332 mandrel and two colors of 104 soft glass, which will be white and black. This bead is all about layering dots and dot placement. We begin by pulling a stringer of the black glass. We start with making the head of the panda by making a flattened round bead with the white glass. To save a little time, just at the end of adding the glass to the mandrel, I like to pull a little stringer that will be used later for the panda's eyes and nose. Now it's time to shape the bead. Once the bead is round, use the mashing tool to flatten the bead. Remember not to make the bead too thin. There's a risk of the bead breaking if it's too thin. Using a mashing tool really chills the glass and leaves chill marks. These chill marks can be easily removed by heating one side of the bead slightly and then holding the bead level, allowing gravity to level out the heated glass. Repeat the process until the chill marks are gone. Do the same on the other side of the bead. When this is done slowly, the chill marks will be removed without affecting the shape of the bead. To make the black patches that are around the panda's eyes, place a dot of glass on the top third of the bead slightly to one side. Once the dot has touched the bead, swipe it down. This creates an oval-shaped dot. With the knife or shaping tool, press these dots down. When the glass is warm, you can smush the glass around a little to make sure the black patches are the right shape. Remember to keep the whole bead warm. All the details are on the front of this bead, so the back of the bead can be easily forgotten. To make the panda's mouth, place a small dot of black glass on the bottom of the bead. It should be centered below the black patches. Press this dot down. The eyes are started with dots of white glass that are placed in the top part of the oval-shaped black patches. Press these dots down. The nose is started with one medium-sized dot of white glass that is placed centered below the black oval patches and on top of the black mouth. Leave a small section on the bottom of the black mouth uncovered. With the shaping tool, shape the nose by making a small cut from the base of the nose moving up. This will create the small separation at the bottom of the nose. Shape the sides of the nose to create a slight triangle shape on the top. Continue to press, push, and smush until there is a nicely shaped nose. Time to finish the eyes by adding small dots of black glass for the pupils. Gently press these dots down. To finish the nose, add a small dot of black glass to the tip of the nose. Gently press this down and shape it. To make the ears, start with placing small dots where you would like the ears to be. Add some heat to these dots to create a solid connection to the bead. Add more glass to make the ears a little larger. Compared to the size of their heads, pandas' ears are not very big, so remember to keep the ears small. Check to see that the ears are the same size. With the tweezers, slightly flatten the ears. And there you have a panda bead. Thank you for watching. Have fun torching!